Today we have the 2017 Mazda 3. This vehicle has done just over 38,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as hands-free cooling. Above is our automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, we can access communication, navigation and settings. We also have entertainment and our applications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side.